for today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick little summer makeup look using no foundation whatsoever. I've been wearing this look every time I go out. It's so humid, it is so hot here in Japan, so I try to use as little products as I can, but also still look put together, you know? If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I try to upload every single week. Before you leave, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell next to it. That way you are notified when I do upload a video. Also give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. My social media links are always down below for you guys. Be sure to give me a follow. Let's be friends. I'm thinking of hosting a giveaway on Instagram because I just hit 5,000, so let me know what you guys think about that. It won't be like nothing big, but it'll be like a giveaway, you know what I mean? Anyways, yes, all the products that I use in this video I have been using for months now. I swear by these products, literally, you guys. What is that noise? Is that my AC? For the most part, I do use affordable products. They are stuff that you can literally get at your local convenience store, CVS, Walgreens, whatever, which makes me love this look even more. But yes, that is all I have to say. If you guys want to see how I got this no foundation, quick little summer makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so starting off with a bare face, of course, the brows are done. I'm going to start off by priming my face. I've been loving these two literally the whole entire summer. I swear by them. First, I'm going to start off with the Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Primer from CoverGirl. Love this guy. I mainly try to apply this mainly in my T-zone, but I end up literally just putting it everywhere. But as you can see, I like to pat it in. And then next, I go on top with the No Pore-blem from, honestly, I don't even know, Touch and Soul, I think, but it's, I don't want to say it's like a serum, but it is really liquidy. But anyways, I got this in a boxycharm, and I love, literally, you guys, I could just wear this by itself without that primer, and it would be amazing. So anyways, I like to prime my face with those guys. Next, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl concealer palette from the Full Spectrum line. As I literally should have just made this a one brand makeup tutorial, am I right? Anyways, as you can see, I am just going to be color correcting. I'm using the salmon color, and I'm literally just hitting the darker spots on my face with a flat brush from Royal Glam. And then just blending that into my skin with a beauty sponge from Royal Glam as well. And I'm wrapping. Next, I'm taking the first shade in the palette. As you can see, it is used and abused. That is how much I love this concealer palette. That's how much I use this concealer palette. So this shade actually matches my skin tone, and I normally just apply it in the areas where I want coverage because I'm not using foundation. So I'll normally just go over my little red spots. I'll go over my blemishes and stuff, and then I'll also take it on my eyelid and I use it to clean up my brows. I'm also using that same brush I used for that peach salmon color. What is it? It's from Royal Glam. They don't have names, but it's just a regular flat brush, again from Royal Glam. And then I am just blending all of that into my skin with the same beauty sponge I was using to blend in that peach salmon color corrector. I love using beauty sponges, especially for this look, because I feel like it makes everything look so seamless. You guys will see Cyrus a lot in this video. Like, we were talking to our daughters, and yeah, he just comes in a lot, so just be prepared to see him. Anyways, okay, so now to highlight my face, I am using this concealer from CoverGirl. It's not from the Spectrum line, but everything will be linked down below for you guys. It is just a lighter color than my skin tone. Again, I'm using this to highlight, so I'm just applying that upside down triangle under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. I stopped applying concealer on my forehead just because I have a lot of texture there, so I try not to apply too much product. But as you guys can see, I am just blending all of that out with the beauty sponge. So to set my under eyes, I'm using this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade Classic Ivory on a big, really big fluffy brush from Royal Glam, and I'm just going to set everywhere that I had applied the concealer I was just using in the previous clips. This is from the same line as that concealer, so I really like this line as well as the Spectrum line. So again, I am just setting everything, patting it all in. Now you guys know when it comes to setting my face, my MAC Studio Fix powder is literally my #1, but lately I have been loving this guy. It's from the Full Spectrum line from CoverGirl. It is the Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation.
in the shade Deep Neutral, and I just take that on this big fluffy brush. I actually got this in a boxycharm. I think it's from Luxie. I could be wrong, but everything will be linked down below for you guys. And I literally just pat that into my face just to make sure that everything is set and that it's not going to go anywhere. So to contour, I am taking this bronzer powder from Colourpop on this is another Luxie brush, and I believe it's a contouring brush. Literally my favorite brush. How many times am I gonna say brush, right? Anyways, I am just contouring the normal places that I would, the hollows of my cheeks, my big ass forehead, my jawline, and my nose. And keep in mind with this look, you definitely don't have to contour like I am. If you just want like a really bronzed look, I recommend getting a really big contouring brush like this one right here from Morphe. Literally just hit that in your powder, hit the normal places that you would, and that one would look a little bit more natural than having a more contoured, like chiseled look. You know what I'm saying? And for blush, I'm just taking the Alamar Cosmetics blush trio. I'm mixing these two shades and applying that right on top of my contour. Lately, I have been so into blush. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you guys would know I used to hate blush, but now it is literally my jam. So now I'm just blending everything out with that same brush I used to set my under eyes. And now to highlight my face, I am just using the Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette from the Full Spectrum line from CoverGirl. Seriously, you guys, this has been my go-to all summer. I'm not even kidding. I wear this all the time, and I am just highlighting the highest points of my face with a small fan brush from Royal Glam. The same shade I used to contour my face, I'm just going to dip a blending brush in that and apply it right to my creases, just so it adds a little bit more dimension to my face. Next, I'm going to hit my lashes with some mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I got it in a boxycharm. It is amazing. Literally, go try it out. Needed to get a kiss from husband. Look at him. He literally distracts me in all my videos. He's so annoying. I hate him. Anyways, again, hitting the lashes with some mascara. Next, I'm going to apply some lashes. These are, honestly, I don't even know where they're from. I couldn't even tell you right now, but like I said, everything will be linked down below. But I love them because they are really, really natural looking, and I feel like that goes so well with this type of look. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let the glue get tacky for a little bit. We're gonna sing clearly, am I right? Now, okay, my biggest tip I can give for you when it comes to applying lashes is to hold your mirror under your eye like I am. And I use tweezers. I know some people use their fingers, but tweezers are easier for me. And I literally just apply that so close to my lash line. And that's another big tip I can give you guys. Try to get the fake lash as close to your lash line as possible, because if not, there's going to be a gap in between the two and it will be visible and it's not going to be cute. I'm telling you. So off camera, I just applied the other lash and then I hit my lower lashes with some mascara, and that was it. So easy, so simple. So now I'm moving on to lips, and literally, you guys, this is my favorite lip combo. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm lining my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in 22. This is literally one of her like OG lip colors. Again, in 22, you obviously don't need this lip liner, but this is just my favorite. And then I'm going on top of it with the NYX Cosmetics lip cream in Cairo. This is an oldie but a goodie. Literally, it is so good. And it makes the perfect peachy nude, you guys. I blend all of it in with my finger. And like I said, it makes the perfect peachy nude. Like, are you kidding me? Like, look at it. Look at it. You can't tell me you don't like it. Am I right? So now I'm just going to apply more highlight because I really want to be out here looking like a glazed donut, you know. And the last step is to lock it all in with some setting spray. Unfortunately, I ran out, but lock it all in, girl. I'm telling you, especially in this heat, lock it in.
Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry about the background noise. I don't know what they're doing outside. Anyway, if you try this look out, please tag me. I love seeing you guys' recreations. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.